Welcome to our tutorial on how to really torch plenty of calories while walking on a treadmill. If you want to burn some extra calories and get in shape, walking on a treadmill can be a great option. It's a low-impact exercise that's easy on the joints and can be done by people of all fitness levels. Plus, it's a great way to lose weight and improve overall health. So, how can you really boost your calorie burn while walking on a treadmill? Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Increase the incline. Walking on an incline can help you burn more calories and work for different muscle groups. Try starting at a low incline and gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable. You can also try alternating between different incline levels to mix things up and challenge your body in different ways. 2. Walk at a faster pace. The faster you walk, the more calories you'll burn. Try gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable and try to maintain a brisk pace. You can also use the built-in programs on your treadmill to vary your speed and add some variety to your walk. 3. Add intervals. Interval training is a great way to boost your calorie burn. Try walking at a moderate pace for a few minutes, then increasing the speed for a minute or two before returning to your moderate pace. Repeat this pattern for the duration of your workout. You can also try different interval lengths and intensity levels to keep things interesting and challenge your body in different ways. 4. Use hand weights. Adding hand weights to your walk can help you engage your upper body and burn more calories. Just be sure to start with a light weight and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. You can also try different upper body exercises, such as bicep curls or shoulder presses, to target other muscle groups. 5. Mix it up. Don't be afraid to mix things up and try different walking routines. This can help you avoid boredom and keep your body guessing, which can lead to increased calorie burn. You can try different incline and speed levels, add intervals, use hand weights, or even walk backward to challenge your body in different ways. Remember to always listen to your body and start slow, gradually increasing intensity as you become more comfortable. Walking on a treadmill can be a great way to burn calories and improve your overall fitness. Happy walking! In conclusion, walking on a treadmill can be a great way to burn calories and improve your overall fitness. By increasing the incline, walking at a faster pace, adding intervals, using hand weights, and mixing things up, you can really boost your calorie burn and get in shape. Remember to always listen to your body and start slowly, gradually increasing intensity as you become more comfortable. Thanks for watching.